A new smoothing algorithm has been added for stacked mountain series, providing a smooth and visually appealing effect using Bezier curves. This smoothing works in 100% stacked and normal modes. If you head to the demo site, you can click on View Source on GitHub to see how this example is set up. The drawexample.ts file shows you how to create a SciChart surface with smooth stacked renderable series. Check out the documentation for the smooth stacked renderable series to see how to implement this in your own charts. You can also experiment with this in the CodePen example. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to explore more SciChart.js 3.4 updates, optimizing performance and customization for your charts.